The Supreme Court is the last stop for a former federal lawmaker, Mr. Smart Adeyemi, in his attempt to stop the Kogi governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Mr. Usman Ododo, from participating in the November 11, 2023 election in the state. Mr. Adeyemi, who represented Kogi West Senatorial District in the 9th Senate, is claiming that the results that saw the emergence of Mr. Ododo is fraudulent and invalid on the ground that the primary election was conducted in only 11 out of 239 wards in the state. He had participated in the election, and his grouse is that the provisions of the Electoral Act and the guidelines of the APC were compromised during the exercise. While adopting his final address, his counsel, Mr. Musibao Adetumbi, argued that the primary election of April 14 was conducted in gross violation of Section 84 of the Electoral Act 2022. However, the counsel to Mr. Usman Ododo called for the dismissal of the appeal on the ground that it has become academic because the 180 days within which APC can conduct another primary for the nomination of candidates has since elapsed. After taking arguments from other parties, Justice Iyan Okoro, who led the panel of justices, announced that the final judgment will be delivered on October 23rd.
The matter was taken for argument by their lordships. We strongly believe that by the time our briefs are read and the appeal is looking to on merit, then we'll have the report of the INEC, exhibit APC 4, said it loud and clear that there are no elections 228 wards. That's our own feel. It's our, yes, it's our feel. So, but we are waiting for what their lordships are going to say.
Main issues we have brought to the Supreme Court is very simple. The Section 24 of the Electoral Act says primary election should be conducted word by word. It was not conducted by word by word. It's on their table there. The second issue we brought here was that the result that was filed was just for 11 wards out of 239 wards. You know, you don't have to be a lawyer to understand our point of argument. After 239 wards, they brought only 11 result of 11 wards. That is less than 2% of the total number of results anticipated.
Back in the courtroom, the panel dismissed the appeal by another governorship aspirant, Mr. Abubakar Achimugu, seeking to nullify the same election. Mr. Achimugu's argument is that Mr. Ododo is not qualified to participate in the exercise because he did not resign his employment with the Kogi State Public Service 30 days before contesting the election. After the case was dismissed at the lower courts, Mr. Achimugu withdrew his appeal and the case was subsequently dismissed. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.